In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow recording on Google Meet. This skill is a must-have in today's digital age, whether for business meetings, online classes, or virtual gatherings with friends and family. Google Meet has become a cornerstone for facilitating these connections, and knowing how to record your meetings can prove invaluable for later reference, training materials, or simply to keep cherished moments. Let's dive straight in. The journey begins on the Google Meet website, so open up your browser and make your way there. If you're not already signed in, do take a moment to log in with your Google account credentials. This is your passport to accessing Google's suite of services, Google Meet included. Once you're in, look for the option labelled New Meeting. It's pretty straightforward from here. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among these, you'll want to select Start an Instant Meeting. This action does exactly what it says. It launches a new meeting right away, ushering you into the meeting window without any further ado. Now, this is where the magic happens, but also where a bit of navigation comes into play. Your gaze should drift towards the bottom right corner of your screen, where you'll find a shield icon labelled Host Controls. A click is all it takes to open a new side panel, revealing various controls and settings. Within this side panel, direct your attention to the option named Host Management. This is crucial. Clicking it unveils additional features and permissions that you, as the host, can enable or disable, tailoring the meeting environment to your needs. Unfortunately, the detailed steps to enable recording from this point are missing, as the instructions provided do not cover this. Normally in Google Meet, you'd look for a recording option within these settings or in the main meeting interface, often symbolized by a record button or similar. Clicking this would typically start the recording process, capturing both audio and video of your meeting. Remember, Google Meet's recording feature may only be available with certain account types, such as G Suite for education, business, or enterprise accounts. This means if you're using a standard Google account, you might not have access to this feature. It's always a good idea to check your account type and understand your accessibility to different features within Google Meet. This wraps up our tutorial on how to allow recording in Google Meet. With this knowledge, you're now better equipped to capture important discussions, lectures, or heartwarming conversations that you'd like to revisit later. Happy recording, and until next time, stay connected.